So here we have this VEVOR 500-pound folding deer cart. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, and here's the box it came in. It's a pretty big box. And here's all those parts laid out. Looks like there is a little bit of assembly required. Here's a better look at the hardware. It comes mixed up in a single bag. And then here's the instruction manual. Definitely not the most detailed instructions, but it should do. Alright, so to assemble this, first we're going to attach these two axles into this square tube. And to do that, just slide them in here like this and line the holes up, then stick a bolt through, and then put a washer and a nut on the other side and tighten it together. And do the same thing for the other square tube piece. And then you can put this main frame and basket together. Just fold the pieces out like this and then put a bolt through the bottom hole here. And then of course a washer and nut on the back side and tighten it down. And then do the same thing with the other side. Now one thing to mention here is that it only comes with one bolt for each side. So if you don't want it to fold up like this, then put the bolts in the other holes. Anyway, now we're going to secure on the basket straps. And to do that, just take this bolt off, slide a washer onto it, and then put it back in with a strap over it and tighten it down, and then do the same thing with the other side. And then down at the bottom of the main frame, you're going to slide in the two remaining pins and then line them up with the holes and lock them each in with a nut and a bolt. Then you can slide one of these little plastic spacers over it and slide on the square tube piece. Then slide on another one of the plastic spacers, then a washer, and then this lock nut. Then tighten it down, but make sure the piece can still rotate. Then you can slide two of the large wheels onto the axles and put lock nuts on to tighten them down. And again, make sure not to over tighten them because you want the wheels to spin freely. Anyway, then flip the cart over to the other side and repeat the process. And then we're going to attach the large handle piece that just slides over the frame like this. And then you can put the carriage bolt through the inside. And then put this end of the basket strap over the bolt. And then put one of the hex knobs on the bolt and tighten it down. And again, do the same exact thing with this other side. Alright, and there we go. It's all put together. It wasn't too difficult, but it did take just about half an hour. And as I mentioned before, the instructions really just aren't the best. Anyway though, this deer cart is super solid. It has a really nice and sturdy metal frame. And it has this brown finish on it. It looks to be a painted finish. The wheels are metal as well, and they're super solid. You'll probably have to inflate the tires though, because these ones feel a little bit flat. The cart has this sort of flexible basket, and it's made of a weaved plastic. Feels like it should be pretty durable, and this thing is supposed to be able to support up to 500 pounds. It's actually a pretty decent size. It's quite a bit bigger than I was expecting. The handle is also pretty long, which should be pretty helpful because it'll allow you to get a lot of leverage on it. Standing straight up like this, it's about 5 foot tall to the floor, and the overall basket measurements are about 20 inches wide by about 3 foot long. And it has a really helpful design where you can kind of rotate it down and flop your deer onto here. And then once you get it on, you can rotate it backwards and wheel it away. And the way it is now, when you put something onto here, it's going to push this down and that'll fold this in. But if you want it to be more rigid, there is a second hole here as well as on the other side. And if you put a bolt through them, that'll stiffen this thing up, but it doesn't come with those. And then this handle also folds up kind of like a lawnmower. You just got to unscrew this piece here as well as on the other side. And then you can lift up the handle and fold it together. And I think this is pretty helpful because it makes it take up less space, so it's easier to travel with. Of course, this isn't just for deer. You can use it for hauling other animals as well, and it might even work to move around firewood. And overall, I'd say it looks like a good deer cart. It is a pretty solid frame, large wheels, and of course the fact that it can fold up is pretty helpful as well.